Would you look at this guy here? This is our 2025 Kia K5 EX trim level with a snow white pearl exterior color and a black interior color. It is a front-wheel drive drivetrain, and it does have an 8-speed automatic transmission. The fuel economy is going to get you 25 in the city, 36 in the highway, 30 combined. I personally love the exterior look to this vehicle. I love the snow white pearl exterior color. This is the larger sedan that Kia has. This is the K5 as opposed to the K4 that replaced the Forte. In order to start this guy here, you're going to put your foot on the brake, and it's just a push to start action right there. And right now in front of our steering wheel, you're going to see that this does have Apple CarPlay and Android Auto capabilities. It has blind spot monitoring system, backup camera, Bluetooth, collision avoidance, a hands-free lift gate. You're going to have power seats, a navigation system, lane departure warning, remote start as well. And you're going to see later that I'm going to pan over to the panoramic roof here as well. Also, really cool thing about this, it's going to have dual climate control, but you can also separate that so you can control the climate on each person's side. So if your passenger likes it warmer than the driver, you can certainly make accommodations to that. Super sharp actual interior leather trim there, and the panoramic moonroof here as well, I think is super sharp. You're also going to have plenty of room in the back seats for the back seat passengers here as well. And I also wanted to include this. So this is huge because you're going to have the bird's eye view camera, both when you're driving forward and then also when you back up here. I'm going to show you what it looks like when we're backing up, the same exact bird's eye view camera. So overall, this is extremely sharp car. If you, there's going to be a spare tire in this here as well. I'm going to show you guys that. Plenty of space in the trunk here as well. This is going to be an industry leader in cargo space in the back, actually. So if you guys would like to set up an appointment, please contact us here at 262-444-5445. Otherwise, take care, stay safe. We'll see you guys soon.